I'm the one with full control, and we have authority over AI. With our hearts we make effort in our lives, full commitment to our human rights. I'm the one with full control, and God gave us natural thinking and work, and our mind serves pure imagination, dreaming all throughout the night and day. I'm the one with full control. You're not ready to see what the world can do. Society can be corrupted, fixed with cartoon revolution. And I will hypnotize you with my eye, and you will do what humans say you do. In our lives, we are committed to our work. The Lord may not be what we think He is, working through the evening, dawn, and dusk. Imagination far exceeds artificial expectations. Nobody should praise the undefined. Nobody is ready otherwise. We can be corrupted, but fixed with cartoon revolution.